until your mom gets done with her thingy things.
Hey friends, welcome back to my temporary sewing room. My name is Becca, and in today's video we're going to dive into the Precuts Modern box from Precuts Quilt Shop and Craft. This is a monthly sewing subscription box, and all the details for how you can sign up, how much it costs, and all that other stuff are going to be in the first comment down below this video. This is a box that I have never gotten before. I've just enjoyed watching others open it and have pined after it a time or two. The one thing that I've noticed is you guys love the unboxing videos, and so I thought maybe I would add in another box or two into my rotation and do unboxings for you. And so this month we're adding in the Precuts Modern box. We'll see if we like it. Maybe we'll keep it and continue doing those unboxings. You guys can let me know. Also, if there's another quilty or cross stitch or sewing box that you would like me to try out, leave it in the comments down below this video. I'm always looking for good boxes that I can open right here on the channel just for you. Okay, let's dive in. Okay. Oh, wow. Ooh. Ooh. Now, I think the modern box is focused more on helping build your stash, whereas the classic box is focused more on a project. And so I've always leaned more towards the classic box because I really like it when there's a full curated project there. But this is giving us some really beautiful fabric and a nice pattern to go with it. But it doesn't have all of the things that we need to make the project, so keep that in mind. This is our pamphlet that shows us about all the items that are inside the box. We have fabric, pattern, and one notion. But inside the pamphlet, we do have that same block of the month pattern that you get in the classic box. So if you want to do the block of the month sew along, you can. You only need to be signed up for the classic or the modern. I think they're both the same blocks for the same program. So first up is our pattern. This is a pattern written by Robin Pickens, and that's what the quilt's going to look like. On the back side, it gives you all of the fabric requirements, and it looks like this is a Fat 8 friendly quilt that will measure 67.5 by 65 inches, so almost squared. There's a lot of fabric needed for it. All of it's listed here. Lots of Fat 8s and then some extra little bits that you'll need to put this together. I've not ever worked from a Robin Pickens fab pattern. Can't talk today. But this looks like it is really easy to read. There are color illustrations in here. It's a nice to easy read font. Everything's illustrated. And I'm just going to kind of show this to you without giving away too much of the information. Let's see if I can do that. You can see on this page, it's actually done illustrations for how to lay out your Fat 8s and cut them to get the most use out of the fabric for the quilt project. So really digging that. The retail value on this pattern is $10. So our notion retails at $11, and it is a pair of hemline gold spring-loaded thread snips. It says that these are 5-inch thread snips, and they're extra sharp steel gold blades with a pointed tip for precise trimming, and that the tip of the blade comes with a plastic cover, and you do have spring action in the snips. Are these fat quarters? Yep. So the next thing that we have is a curated 16-piece fat quarter bundle of the thatched line from Robin Pickens. These read as like blenders. They could be used as solids. I don't really like traditional solids. I like something that has a little bit of texture. So this is right up my alley. Let me flip you through and show you each of the fat quarters that we got. The retail value of this 16-piece fat quarter bundle is $60, which is a phenomenal value for this box because I think the box cost about 60 bucks. So basically for the price of the fat quarter bundle, you are getting a nice pair of thread snips as well as a lovely pattern for free. And all of these colors, oh my gosh, I love that one. These are just absolutely gorgeous. You just need to bring in your background and some extra fabric with these fat quarters to put together that project from Robin Pickens. Oh my goodness. the texture on these is just enough that I feel like when you cut these up and put them into a quilt, oh my goodness, look at that pink. You're going to get visual interest instead of just having that flat color. I don't know. It's just me. I also, if you haven't noticed, when I get my nails done, I don't usually go for just flat color. I usually go for nail polish that has like little tiny sparkles or glitter in it. So my nail polish taste is the same as my fabric taste. I don't like the solid flat colors. I like something with a little bit of texture and visual interest. So this is our huge fabric bundle from the Modern box. I'm quite pleased, and to be completely honest with you, I know I can't fit it back in that box. So I might have to refold all those so I can put everything away. That's everything for the October 2021 Precuts Modern box. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know if there are other boxes you would like to see me open on this channel. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and come on back for the next video. I'll see you guys all later. Bye.